Hey guys, this is Narcy here, and today in the NetFlow tutorial series, I will be showing you how to build your first online marketplace. In case you have missed my previous part of the NetFlow tutorial series, you can always feel free to look through the playlist that I have posted somewhere around this video as a link. Without further ado, let's begin on how to create your online market store. So first of all, just click this button, My Store. Once you click it, you will see this button called New Store. These are all the previous stores that I have created. So just click the New Store and you're ready to go. And now for NetFlow, for now you cannot really customize your own interface for NetFlow, so you have to rely on the pre-made templates that NetFlow has provided for you. So in future, there will be more customizations or pre-made templates for you to choose from to actually create your dream online marketplace. So from here, you have a total of 7 templates that you can choose from. So let me just go and choose something nice and suitable. Okay, right, I'll choose this template 5. Once you click select template, just click the proceed button here. So once you click the proceed button, you'll see your new shop actually be created here. So let's go to the settings to actually start customizing your store. Just click settings. And from here, you'll see the page title. So the page title, just maybe something like demo store. Then your meta description. Okay, so this meta description actually represents one of the short description when people try to search your store by typing in the keywords. You will see there's always a link, something like this. Let's say I type just type sample page or something. Okay, sample page, right? You will see something like this. Sample page. Press sites. Then you have this description, right? So this description is called the meta description. So this is what you want to put for the user to see when they manage to search your online store in Google. So this will be all your social media profile links. You can just copy and paste it here accordingly. So this one will be, I'll just go for, this is just another demo page. Yeah, I'll show you where this is applied later, right? So this will be a logo for your store. Just upload the image here and you'll see there's a preview here. So the company URL actually represents your website. Maybe I just do test.com. And you have this special page called the discount page. This is where you put all your discounted offers in just as a pop-up. And once the user clicks the pop-up, it will immediately send them over to the page that contains all your featured products. Right, so I'll just show it to you once I click it. Right, I'll click save. So before I go through all the rest of the settings, let me go to the front end for you to see these changes right here. So just click here to access the edit mode. So once you are in the demo store, just give it a while to load. So you will see here, this is actually the discount page that I have mentioned before, which is this one, the show discount page. This is actually a discount page. So when the user clicks here, it will directly bring them to the product like this, right? So now go back and we will go through all this. So for the front end, you can edit images. Anything with a pencil, you can see here, this kind of pencil, you can actually edit. Like maybe you can change any words, right? And with this discount and that, and you can go for next. You can even edit this one as well. Anything you will have a pencil here, you can always edit. Yeah, some of them you may not be able to see it, but if you just hover it carefully, you can still see the edit button right here, right? Just to change, you can upload the image, so on and so forth. The same goes to here. You have always all the pencil icons. So just click the pencil icons and change it to the image that you want accordingly, right? And this will be your logo right here. All right. And even you can change this as well. Okay, so let me disable the show discount page just to see how does it look like about that? So this pop-up will disappear, right? So just gonna refresh it, and you won't see it anymore, right? So this is how it looks for everything. Just click show all for all the products. These are all the demo products that I've created previously. Alright, so that's all for the front end of this e-commerce store, right? So if you have more questions or you want to try to explore it around yourself, I posted the link for you to create a free account somewhere around this video as well. So once you have signed up, once you have registered your free account using the link that I have posted, then you can come here and just have fun with it, play around and explore it and see whether NetFlow is a good fit for you. Okay, so now we go to the next step, the orders. So what does the orders do? The orders is basically a place where you can see all the purchases, the records that your customers have made right here. So the moment when the customer purchase from you through your online marketplace, their order data will be shown here, and you will know how much they have paid and what are the products they buy, so on and so forth. All the details will be here in the orders tab. So this orders tab only applied for that particular online marketplace that you have created. Okay. So now we'll go to the payments. So for payments, the NetFlow actually supports most of the currencies. However, most of them are in cash on delivery for now, right? So if you are selecting currencies like maybe say US dollars or maybe in this case euro, then you have payment gateways that are already pre-integrated in NetFlow for you to use, right? Otherwise, it will be by default cash on delivery. So over time, developers will add more and more payment gateways as the moment you request for it. Once they know what type of payment gateway you use in your country, then they will add that corresponding payment gateway for you. Okay. Otherwise, you may, if it's a very customized or very specialized payment gateway, then the developers will see how they can actually help you, or maybe you will have to do some tweaking, add some customizations for it to work on your online store. So let's go to the tracking code. So tracking code, as the description has already mentioned, this is where you put all your Facebook pixels, Google Analytics codes, or notification codes, or maybe even event codes for inside your online marketplace, so you can actually analyze and study the user behaviors on that. So to actually know how to get this Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, and notification code, those will not be covered in this video. I will show it in the NetFlow masterclass when the moment you sign up through my link and actually become my affiliate, then I will actually tell you how to get this. Alright, so now it's just a overview on how you can get started with NetFlow first. Okay, this one I will actually share with you in the masterclass itself. The masterclass is free, so once you get your account, just jump in and you will know how to set this up. Alright, so now let's go to domain. The domain is quite straightforward. Once you have actually registered for a domain in any of the preferred sites that you have, let's say Namecheap or GoDaddy, just paste your domain name right here and click save. So the moment you click save, your store name will not be your username shop dot maybe number. You'll directly be converted to the domain. Okay, so now we go to the CMS page, the content page, right? So content page, you have a few here. So you have about us, you have the featured page, contact page, terms and condition, and also privacy page. So just like any other typical web pages, they say if you created blog sites or WordPress blogs and so on, this is basically your title. Let's say you put about us, then you have this is the about us page. I just make it simple for you to see it right away. Then maybe featured stuff. This is the featured page. You can add images, you can add links, add videos, add customized HTML tags. You can click here to make it becoming HTML format if you're familiar with the programming itself. Otherwise, you can just use the normal text to get your page done. And here will be contact us. This is the contact us page. Then here will be terms and condition, the TNC page. And here we'll have the privacy agreement page. Privacy page. Okay, once you're done with editing this, then you can click save. Once you click save, then you will see the changes will apply in your demo store, right? So before I show that, let me just go through here again. So in case you do not want to include all the pages right here, there's always the on-off button. You can click here. So off means that the page will not appear in your online marketplace. So click on is vice versa. So let's go back to the front end and refresh this page. So once you go back to the home page, you will see all the changes has been applied. Yep, so you can see the about us page, the featured page, I've named it to featured stuff, and you have to contact us. So once you click here, you will see there's a simple description and your featured stuff, your featured page. Yeah, this is exactly the things that I've typed a few seconds before. And you can go to contact us, also the same thing, contact us page. And terms and condition and privacy policy, they are always placed at the footer of your online marketplace, since those are the places that customers and users rarely even go to unless they would like to know your terms and conditions or maybe a privacy policy whenever required. Then they can go here and find it out themselves. And this is the corporate website that I have actually placed in the store settings. This is where you can see it, and these are all the social media links that you can actually place here, so that when they want to know more about you, they can click here to go to your public social media channels. Okay, so now we go back here. I stop at the CMS pages. So now we go to the product options. So product options, this is actually a work in progress. So what does it do is that it allows you to create options for your product customization. What do I mean by that? Let's say you have a product for your product, maybe shoes. So if let's say you have shoes of different sizes, then you can click the option here and you can type in the value accordingly. Let's say shoes size number 8, size number 9, size number 10, and so on. So this is actually a work in progress. It's not fully functional yet, but since the account is free, you can try out other features first. Or let's say you are a paid customer, that's okay, because the developers are working hard on it, and I believe that they will get this feature launched really soon, right? So please be patient on that if you really need to use this feature, right, in NetFlow, okay? So now we go to the create product section. So this create product section is similar to the previous videos that previous video that I've created that actually explains how you can link your product to your online marketplace. So in case this is the section is usually right here. So in case you forgot to create a product in this section, you just straight away come here. You can also create the same product right here and add it to the store instantly. So I will not need to explain everything here because I already explained it in my previous video, right? So you can watch my previous video to know how to create the product and link it to your online marketplace. So one side. So we are done. Let's go to the product library. So this is where you actually add your products to your online marketplace instantly. So what I mean by that is when you create your product in this section, you have done it. So you just go to my product list. These are all the previous product that I have created using the features right here. This is the one that I've created in my last video. So you can go here and just click here, add to store. So the moment I click add to store, it will show you a notification like this. Then you will check, oh, products in store. So this is the product I actually uploaded to my store. So when people visit the new online marketplace that I've created, then they will see these disposable micro brush eyelashes will be displayed in the store. So let's have a preview to show how this works. Let's go back to the home page. And you will see here, this is the only product in the store that I have just added, alright? So add the products accordingly to make sure that people notice this is one of your hot selling products in your marketplace so that they can take action right away. Okay, so that's all for the online marketplace tutorial. It's a very short one. So in case you find this video very helpful, please feel free to click like and subscribe on the right bottom corner of the screen. So if you're watching this from my Facebook page, then please feel free to like and share to whoever needs help in developing their online marketplace, especially when they're using NetFlow. Alright? So this is Bernard C here from the Market Solvers, and I wish you all the best and stay safe.